In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish an idea on TradingView. This process is straightforward and allows you to share your insights and trading strategies with the community. First, you'll need to log into your TradingView account. If you haven't already done so, head over to the website and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, turn your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice a button that says Publish. Go ahead and click on that. Before you can publish your idea, there are a few essential details you need to fill out. This ensures that your idea is presented clearly and is easily discovered by other TradingView users. Start by giving your work a compelling title. This title should succinctly summarize the main focus of your idea, making it appealing and easy to understand at a glance. Next, provide a description of your idea. This is where you can elaborate on your thought process, present your analysis, and explain why you think your idea holds merit. Think of it as the story behind your idea, a chance to engage your audience and provide context. Now you'll want to select a category that best fits your idea. Categories help organize content and make it easier for users interested in specific topics to find related ideas. Choose the one that most accurately describes the nature of your analysis. After that, you must mark your idea as long, neutral, or short. This is an indication of your position or sentiment regarding the market analysis you're presenting. It helps viewers quickly understand your perspective and the potential direction you anticipate for the market. If there are related ideas that support your view, you have the option to link to these as well. While this step is optional, it can provide additional context or validation to your analysis, adding depth to your published idea. Additionally, you can utilize smart tags to categorize your idea further. Smart tags are keywords that make it easier for members to search for and locate your content. They're optional but can significantly improve the visibility of your idea within the community. Before you finalize everything, take a moment to read the house rules. These guidelines ensure that all published content adheres to TradingView's standards and maintains the quality of the community's shared insights. Once you've completed all the necessary fields and ensured compliance with the house rules, you're ready to click Publish Public Ideas. By doing so, you share your market insights with the broader TradingView audience, fostering a collective understanding of the financial world. That's it. You've now successfully published an idea on TradingView, contributing to a vibrant community of traders and analysts.